Okay, guys, so today we're going to talk about mean, median, mode, and range. So this page explains how to do each of them. So you can refer back to this as we are working. For the mean, which is just the average, you're going to add up all of your numbers that you have or observations, and then divide by how many numbers there are in that data set. For the median, that's your middle number. So to find that, you have to put your numbers in order from least to greatest, and then find the one that is in the middle. Sometimes you'll have two numbers in the middle, and if that's the case, you would add those two numbers and divide by 2 to figure out what the median is. The mode is the number that's repeated the most, so what you're going to do is place them again in order from least to greatest, and you'll find the number that you see the most amount of times. You can have one mode, you can have two modes, or you can have no modes. And then for the range, this is the difference between your biggest and your smallest number. So to do this, you're going to subtract the smallest number that's in the data set from the biggest number. So now let's practice. Okay, so for this first one, we've got a set of numbers at the top, 11, 12, 9, 20, 3, 6, 9. So first, to find the mean, remember that's when you're adding all the numbers in your data set together, and then you're going to divide by how many numbers are present. So first we need to find the sum of these numbers. So you're going to add all of these numbers up together. That's going to be your sum. And when you add them up, you should get 70. And again, that's 11 plus 12 plus 9 plus 20 plus 3 plus 6 plus 9. And then we're going to take that 70, which is the sum, and divide by how many numbers there are. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers in the data set. 70 divided by 7 gives us our mean, or our average, which is 10. Okay, so for the median, this is when we're going to put them in order from least to greatest. So we're starting with 3 as our smallest. I like to cross them out as I go. Then we have 6. Then we have 9. And we actually have 2 9s, so I'm going to do 9 twice. Then we have 11. Then 12. Then 20. And I also like to go back and make sure I have 7 numbers like I had before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, I wrote 7 numbers, so we should be good. So to find the median, you're going to start from the outside and work your way into the middle. So I like to just put a dot at the center because sometimes I use the data set more than once. So I've got one more pair, okay, which shows us right here in the middle perfectly is 9. So our median is going to be 9 here. All right, for the next one is the mode. Again, we're going to write them out in order from least to greatest. Sometimes you can just use the data set, but I'm going to rewrite it here. Sometimes if you've already written it like we did for the median, you could just look at that, but I'm going to rewrite it just for our purposes of our notes. So if we look, the only one that was repeated is our 9, right? We have that number there twice. So that's going to be our mode. It's the one we see the most, okay? And then for range, we're going to look at our biggest number, which is 20, and our smallest number, which is 3, and we are going to subtract them. So 20 minus 3 gives us our range, which is going to be 17. All right, so now let's do it with this set of numbers. It's a little bit different here, but still doing the same process. So for the mean, we're going to add up all the numbers in the data set to figure out what the sum is. So when you add all of those numbers up together, you should get 54. And then with that 54, we're going to divide by how many numbers are in the data set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 numbers in the data set. So 54 divided by 8 gives us our mean, which is 6.75. All right, for our median here, we're going to put them in order from least to greatest. So starting with 0, then we've got 2, then we've got another 2, then we've got 7, and then we have 2 8s, 8, 8, and then 13, and then 14. So again, check to make sure that you have 8 numbers there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're good. Our middle number. So again, I like to start on the outsides. Work my way in. For every one that I dot on the right, I need to dot one on the left. Now, in the middle, I have 2, right? Because if I put another dot, there's no more numbers. So in the middle, I have 2. So what I do now if I have 2 in the middle is I take those 2 numbers and I add them. And that would give me 15. And then I do 15 divided by 2. So I'm finding the average of those 2 numbers. And that's going to give me my mean, which is 7.5. And if you think about it, that makes sense. 7.5 is in the middle of 7 and 8 exactly. That's why it's 7.5. All right, now let's look at mode, so the one that occurs the most. So I'm just going to rewrite again our numbers. And if you notice here, as I'm rewriting, we have 2 numbers that repeat, right? We've got 2 was written twice and 8 was also written twice. So they're written the most and there's 2 of them. So we have 2 modes here, which would be 8 and 2. Okay, and then finally for our range, we are going to take our largest number, which is 14 in this data set, and subtract it from our smallest, which is 0. 14 minus 0 gives us our range, which is 14.